This is, well, my regular account was Awesome Luigio 2, but ever since YouTube has made it so you have to have a Facebook account. As you can clearly see, I'm not old enough, so yeah, I even tried to get a Facebook account, but it wouldn't let me, so that's why I have to stick with someone else's, and that's why it's called that. Well, anyways, I just got home from school, and stupid fly. And just watching a little bit of TV, and I decided to make a video, like, just talking crap. Well, I guess I'll see you when I make my next video. Bye.